Welcome to this video guys, and in this video I will show you how to install Linux in Windows. We will be installing a distribution called Ubuntu of Linux in Windows. So let's get started. First of all, go to your start menu and type turn Windows feature on or off. You can just type turn and you will see this option and you can click on it. If you cannot see this in search bar, you can also open turn Windows feature on or off by going to control panel. Now scroll all the way down to Windows Subsystem for Linux. Now click on this checkbox right next to it and then hit OK. It will search for some files and it will apply the changes. Now you will have to restart your PC after this. So restart your PC and then come back to the video. Now after you have restarted the PC, you need to go to the Windows Store or Microsoft Store. So press the Windows key again and type Microsoft Store. Now you can click on Microsoft Store and let it open. So once the Microsoft Store is open, you need to go ahead and type Ubuntu, that is Ubuntu. So this is the distribution of Linux that we will be installing. You can choose on any version you want, but we will choose the latest one, Ubuntu. Now from here, you just need to click install. So it will start downloading the Ubuntu, and after downloading, it will be installed. So as you can see here, it is 589.9 MB. So it will take a few minutes to download. Okay, so it is downloaded successfully and it is installed. Now you can click on open. And as you can see here, Ubuntu is installing and it will still take a few minutes. Now it will ask you for a username for your Linux distribution. So you need to type your username. I'll just type Tomcat and then you need to type a password. You need to retype the new password that you had just entered. And this is all you need to do. Now it will do some background processing. Installation is not yet complete. It will do some processes, and after a while the installation will be successfully completed and you will be presented with a Linux terminal. Let's wait and see. As you can see here, it's showing the installation successful message, but it is not yet open, so we need to wait for a few minutes. And now it is open. So as you can see here, it shows Tomcat at @Vishal. So this is the user that I had created and this is the user name of my Windows machine. As you can see here, it is saying welcome to Ubuntu 22.04.2 LTS. So it means we are now in a Linux terminal. This is not a Windows terminal. So if I type a Windows command, it will not be read. But if I type Linux command like lsl or top, it will be running successfully. So as you can see here, this is a Linux terminal. Now if I exit from here, it is closed. Okay, so now I can close my Windows Store or Microsoft Store and my Ubuntu is successfully installed. So how do I open it now? Again, I go to my start menu and then I type Ubuntu. And from here, I can again open it. And as you can see, this shows Ubuntu and my Ubuntu machine is starting up. And now I'm inside my Ubuntu. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.